Hello, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today we will see how to fix the connection error, time it out, in the Power World game. So, first of all we go to the Windows search engine and search for Control Panel. When we are in Control Panel, we open Network and Internet. Now Network and Sharing Center. Now we enter where it says Internet and we give it in Properties. Now we search where it says IPv4. We select it and we give it in Properties. Now we are going to put the following. We are going to give it in this circle, and we put in the upper part we put 8.8.8.8. And in the lower part we put 8.4.4.8. We give it in OK and we save it. Now the second method. The second method we must also go to the Windows search engine and we look for the following, CMD. We mention right-click and run as administrator. Now we write the following. ipconfig, space, release, and we press enter. Now, we write ipconfig, space, renew. Now, we write ipconfig, space, flush, DNS. And finally we write netsh, quit sock, space, reset. And now last we write exit and we go out. Now the third method, we go to the Windows button, we press right click and we press settings. We go to settings. When we are already in the configuration of the system, we go to Network and Internet. We go to where it says Advanced Network Settings, and now we go to Network Reset, and we click where it says Reset Now. We see that yes, and reset the internet connection. That would be the third step. And now we can play the patchwork without errors. Video with pleasure. Greetings to all. Subscribe and like if it was helpful and goodbye.